Gilbert was a tiny ghost, and he loved the city oodles and oodles. In fact, he just dug it the most, because the city made him feel all normal, you know, cold and lifeless like the big concrete and steel structures that lived there. This particular Friday night, under Mr. Moon and his starlets, Gilbert was having himself a real groovy old time. He just dug floating there, all by his lonesome, while booing at nothing in particular. Oh my goodness gracious, thought Gilbert to himself. That was a strange noise, a very strange noise indeed. The very scary noise appeared to be coming from that wild and wacky bush over there. Gilbert thought it was unusual for a bush to meow like that. But maybe the bush just liked to meow, you know, like Gilbert just liked to boo. The more the wacky bush meowed like that, the more Gilbert liked the bush.
Ta-da!
Suddenly and with much fanfare, Gilbert's bestest pal ever appeared. His name was Sal, like in salad, and he was a bona fide real-life screaming skull. Is that a meowing bush? Asked Sal. Why yes it is a meowing bush, said Gilbert with a smile, as if he had just discovered something super duper insignificant. Cool, said Sal. Can I eat it? Gilbert took his time and then said, I thought you ate vampire bats. Only on Wednesdays, Sal said. Oh, said Gilbert. Well then, I reckon you can eat whatever you want. But before Sal ever got a chance to munch on the wacky bush, the most amazing thing happened. A furry little head with sad eyes popped up and began to meow. Gilbert exclaimed, why that's just an old scaredy-cat. Suddenly, and without warning, the wacky bush munched and crunched the poor little scaredy-cat all to pieces. Oh wow, said Gilbert. Coolly cool, said Sal. Now, the scaredy-cat was a ghost just like Gilbert. And that made Gilbert and Sal happy, very happy indeed. With Sal's approval, Gilbert named the ghost kitty Scaredy-Cat, and they all serenaded Mr. Moon and his starlets all night long.
Boo!
The end.
La 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 la.